Halloween is coming up and black cats are a part of that. I hope you like this quilt block. I think it's really cool. I took some of our Halloween fabric, which there's a link in the description to this particular one, and just some black fabric. Now, top-down camera will show you, this is the layout. All of these are 2.5-inch squares except for 3 of them. So you can easily cut 2.5-inch squares. I know you can. You need 11 of the black, and you need 11 of the Halloween fabric or whatever you choose. Then that's the simple part. So then you need to keep in mind, you need to make 3 half-square triangles because these angles, all they are is an HST, which you've made a million of. But in order to get a 2.5-inch square finished half-square triangle, you need to add a 1/2 inch. So start with 3-inch squares. So I would advise you to cut 2 of the Halloween fabric, 3-inch squares, 2 of the black in 3-inch squares. Because when you make them and you cut them, you're going to have 4. You'll have 1 extra, which is fine. So these are my 3-inch squares. And you know, to do an HST, we do right sides together. We draw a diagonal line, which I have done on this, and you're going to stitch 1/4 inch on both sides of that line. Now, when you do that, you get this, okay? He's almost ready. The only thing that I need to do is cut him in half on the line that I drew originally. And when I do that, that's how you get your half-square triangles, okay? So that's how you do it. They end up like this, and then you take your little trimming tool and trim them exactly to 2.5 inches. Folks, that's all there is to this one. Very simple and very Halloween-y. Now, as you know, I always say, join these in 2s, join those in 2s. Do everything in pairs at first, all the way down. Then I'd make these into squares and squares. This extra row you can add once you've added on these 2, then you can add on your 3rd. So that's how I piece them together, making larger and larger squares. So I hope you try this one. I hope you like us and subscribe to us. Go to our YouTube channel and you'll see all of our past videos. I love this one. Happy Halloween and happy sewing.